Hi, today's recipe is mushroom biryani. I will use basmati rice and white mushrooms to make this flavorful vegan dish. Let's start.
I start by washing my basmati rice 2-3 times, cup and a half of basmati rice. I will soak some saffron in 1/4 cup oat milk and set it aside. Now I will heat 1/4 cup olive oil and add my whole spices, and I'll let the spices bloom. Once the spices are fragrant, which should take about a minute or two, I will go ahead add 2 cups of sliced onions. I am using white onions today. You can also use red or yellow onions. So saute them till they get a little brown at the edges. And once they are brown, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Uh, Cook it for a few minutes, and once the smell of garlic and ginger is gone, add a pound of mushrooms. These are white mushrooms, thickly sliced or quartered. I have sliced them today. We'll cook this mixture till the mushrooms shrink a bit, and then we add a 1/3 cup of tomato sauce. Cook everything. It's important that we add all these ingredients one at a time because we want this mixture to stay dry. And now we will add our chopped coriander, our dry spices, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. Use any store bought biryani masala you like. Mix everything. Now it's important to add spices and ingredients one at a time, because if the mushrooms start releasing water, it'll be very hard for rice to cook to perfection. That's why we are going to add salt at the very end. This is it. We have added almost all the spices we needed, and now we are going to layer it with rice. Here is my 1.5 cup of basmati rice that has been soaking for about 30 minutes. Please like and subscribe so that you can watch my future videos. Now we will arrange this rice in a single layer, as smooth a layer as we can make. Do not mix mushroom and rice here. Keep the layers separate. Top with some fried onions. I have 1/3 cup of fried onions. And we will also add our saffron and milk mixture. 3 cups of hot water. So we have 1.5 cup of basmati rice and 3 cups of water. So it's always 1:2 ratio with rice and water. Bring the whole mixture to a boil, and once it's boiling, cover it with a lid and cook it on low for 15 to 20 minutes. Check it after 15 minutes. If it's not done, give it a couple more minutes at a time. So this is what it looks like after about 18 minutes of cooking on medium-low heat. It is done. I will dish it out and add some more garnish. You can add garnish, any garnish you like. I really like to add nuts and raisins for sweetness, nuts for crunch, and fried onions for that savory taste, and of course some fresh herbs. You can add mint or coriander, whatever you like. You can print this recipe from my website www.yogchakra.com. You can read step-by-step instructions, and you can also print it.